If you want to delete video effects on CapCut PC, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you 3 simple ways to remove effects, whether they're sitting directly on the timeline, embedded inside a clip, or just temporarily turned off. This is a quick and easy fix that can save you a lot of time while editing, especially if you've added the wrong effect or you simply want to clean up your project. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's talk about the most common type of effect. If you see a separate purple or blue bar sitting on a track above your main video, that means the effect was added directly onto the timeline. To delete it, simply left-click the effect bar to select it. Once it's highlighted, press the delete key on your keyboard. If that doesn't work, try Backspace instead. That will remove the effect from your project right away. Now, if the effect was not added as a separate bar and instead was embedded directly onto a video clip, the process is a little different. In that case, right-click the video clip in your timeline. From the menu that appears, choose Edit Effects. This will open the active effects currently applied to that clip. Once you see the effect list, click the effect you want to remove and then press Delete on your keyboard. This is the best method when the effect is attached to a specific clip rather than sitting on its own track. Next, let's say you don't want to permanently delete the effect. Maybe you just want to preview your video without it for a moment, or you want to keep the effect settings for later. In that case, you can simply turn the effect off instead of removing it completely. Click the video clip in your timeline. Then look at the panel in the top right corner of the screen. Go to the Video tab and under the Basic section, find the name of the effect you applied. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Turn that switch off to hide the effect. And whenever you want it back, just turn it on again. So to quickly recap, if the effect is on its own track, select the effect bar and delete it. If it's attached to a clip, right-click the clip, open Edit Effects and remove it from there. And if you just want to hide the effect temporarily, use the toggle in the Video tab. That's how to delete video effects on CapCut PC the fast and easy way. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.